How to add phone number on Ubisoft. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add your phone number on your Ubisoft account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and go to the official website of Ubisoft. Once you are inside the website, simply sign in and log in using your UBI account credentials. And once you are logged in, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner and a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply select Account Management and this will take you to the Ubisoft account settings page. And once you are inside the settings page, here you can see the option labeled account information. So simply tap on that. Now here in the upper right corner of the tab you see the edit button, so simply tap on that. And after tapping on that you can see the option labeled phone number, and beside that there is add your phone number, so simply click on that. And after that you need to verify your identity, so simply tap on send and the code will be sent to your Gmail address. So simply copy the code from the Gmail address and paste it here. And once you're done with it, simply click on submit. And after that you will be asked to enter your valid mobile number. So simply enter your mobile number and click on add. And after that a verification code will be sent to your phone number. So simply copy the verification code from your mobile number and simply paste it in here. And once you're done with that, simply click on submit. And after entering the code and submitting it, the phone number will be successfully added to your Ubisoft account. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.